Hello my fly babies, it's me your FlyLady Kat, and today is Monday. We have a 3-layer cake, and our first layer is our basic routines. Our first routine of the day is morning routines for ourselves and our children. Our second routine is our laundry. Our third routine is our paper. Just don't wait for the laundry to be done. Get your paper while the laundry's going around and around in the washing machine, or depending on the kind you have. Get your little paper done before the washing machine's even done with the first load. And then after dinner routine and before bed routine. Remember, the little picture for you is if you're an at-home fly baby, these things happen first. Morning routines happen, followed by laundry, followed by paper routine. Boop, 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 down the stairs. Then later today, the after dinner routine, and later even more, the before bed routine. If you're working, these are the routines. Morning routine, when you get home from work, start your supper, and then laundry, get the laundry going, go through your paper, and then your after dinner routine, and then before bed routine. That's how the routines work. If you're just starting, you're just doing routines. If you've been going for a while, we're going to put in the next thing. Our zone. We're in zone 4 this week. Our bedroom. Ooh, that's my favorite one. Our bedroom. This is your private resort. This is your room. So we've got master bedroom, master closet, and master bathroom if you have one. And you're going to pick 4 things to do in there if you don't have any clutter. If you do have clutter, you're going to declutter for 4 days. Today, you're going to skip Tuesday because that's your free day to take care of yourself. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you have 4 days to do it. Okay? 15 minutes standing in place, making great decisions of throw away, put away, give away, and then completing the process by doing those things. Throwing it away, putting it away, and giving it away, or taking it to the trunk of your car. All right, so that's what we're going to be doing. Next, after we've done our bedroom, so let's say that you are a payroll fly baby, and you came home from work, you started your dinner, then you started your laundry, went through your paper. Okay, so we're talking 10 minutes. Maybe you did have to check on your children. If you have kids at home, maybe you needed to inspect what you expect. Maybe they let you down and now they've got a consequence, or they're promising to do it right now. Whatever, that's your business, but you've got to handle that and be in charge of that. So that could take another 10 minutes. So let's say we're at 20 minutes. All right, then we're going to go into our zone and we're going to work for, let's say that you have to declutter 15 minutes. So that's 20 plus 15 is 35, and then about 5 minutes to complete the process of throwing away, putting away, give away. So we're at 40 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and do our basic weekly plan for Monday. Well, if you're an at-home fly baby, you will have done these all in the morning, including the weekly home blessing hour. But at night, sometimes you don't have enough time to do the weekly home blessing hour. So we're at 40 minutes. And maybe you're going to either do one thing in the basic weekly home blessing hour, which is 10 minutes, so that's 50 minutes, or you've delegated it, and that's what you were checking on in the first minutes. You've gotten somebody today to throw all the garbage out, little garbage cans, or you had somebody today to dust, or you had somebody today to wipe the glass spots, or you had somebody today mop, or you had somebody today vacuum. If you didn't, then you do it, or you save it for Saturday, your choice. So it's going to take you maximum an hour, 40 minutes to an hour, depending on what you're doing today. So let's say you got home at 5:30. By 6:30, it's all done, and dinner has been started. You started dinner before you got going. That only took a few minutes. Go check on it every now and then, or if you have it, in the microwave or maybe the crock pot, this is a good day for that. All right, that's it. So think about it. This hour is going to change your life. It's really 40, 45 minutes. It's going to change your life if you do this every single day. Just follow these videos and you'll get it done. I promise, cross my heart. That's it for today. Don't forget that you are beautiful, and I want you to have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow.